Can knee supports actually make knee pain worse? You might hear things like you'll become dependent on them, it will weaken your knee, or once you start using them, you won't stop using them. But here's a key point. Knee supports aren't good or bad on their own. They're tools. What matters is how they're used, and that's really important to remember. Let's talk about when knee supports can help you. People often use them when the knees feel irritated, the knees feel tired, they feel less stable, or maybe just discomfort builds during busy days. Some of the examples may include long work shifts, lots of walking if it's nice weather, flare-ups of knee discomfort, and other stuff as well. Support can sometimes help you stay active whilst those symptoms settle. Avoiding movement completely usually leads to more stiffness. When can problems arise from these supports, you may ask? So issues usually come from not using them correctly. And what I mean by that is wearing a support that is too tight, for example, wearing it consistently or relying on it instead of actually improving strength, like in the gym and stuff like that. This may lead to stiffness, irritation, or ongoing discomfort. The problem is usually how it's used, not the support itself. So let's look at, do knee supports weaken the knee? This is a common thing you may hear from people. However, there's no strong evidence that sensible use weakens the knee. Muscles weaken when they aren't used. Most supports will still allow walking, bending, normal movement. That means the muscles are still working around the knee, so they're not going to get, the knee support won't make them weak because they are still working, if that makes sense. Problems happen usually when support replaces strengthening, the movement, and gradual progression. It's important to use a support properly on the knee. Support works best as part of the bigger plan, which includes regular movement, strengthening exercises, and managing activity levels, also allowing recovery as well. So for example, you might wear a support during a long shift, but you still need to work on building strength outside of that. It's still important that you hit the gym and work on the underlying issues. It's important to reassess and consider adjusting the support if the support feels uncomfortable. You've got pain which worsens while wearing it, that's definitely not a good sign. Or you're wearing it all the time. Why don't you try to check the fit, loosen it, and only using it during high demand activities? Of course, if the symptoms continue, then it's probably best to go and see a physio and ask, get their opinion on it. They might be able to tell you what's going on. But to summarise this video, knee supports don't automatically make knee pain worse. Problems usually come from overuse or incorrect use. When used sensibly, they can help alongside strengthening, movement, and sensible activity levels, along with your recovery, The goal isn't to rely on the support forever. That's really important to remember. The goal is to use it whilst you are building stronger knees in the background effectively.